Synjuk के Rangbah Shnong Ri-Bhoi district met with the Minister in charge of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Amperin Lingdo, yesterday to address pressing issues regarding medical infrastructure. Speaking to the media after the meeting, Secretary of Synjuk के Rangbah Shnong Ri-Bhoi district, P.B. Silyang, informed that the organization highlighted the community's concerns and emphasizing the need for improved healthcare facilities and pressing for the need of upgradation of hospital infrastructure. He also informed that the health minister and assured them of concrete action. Synjuk ke Rangbah Shnong Ri-Bhoi district also brought to the forefront the pressing need for the upgradation of sub-centers and primary health centers in the district.
Very glad to meet the Minister in charge, Dr. Amperin Lingdo, regarding the infrastructure of these 50 beds which they have established in Parila Shnong. So from the minister in charge, she have taken the concern that she will call the meeting on the 1st of December at Ri-Bhoi, Ri-Bhoi district regarding to discuss the function of this hospital at Parila Shnong. And the second point that we have discussed today with the minister is regarding this establishment or an upgradation of sub-center and PHC. We are in need that the PHC and sub-center in Ri-Bhoi district to upgrade because the population ratio of the people in our Ri-Bhoi district have grown up from day to day. So from the minister in charge of health and family affairs, she had taken initiative regarding this matter. So we hope that on the 1st of December, we will discuss thoroughly regarding this issue.
Nongpo MLA Merul Bond CM has